Hi guys! Ako nga pala si Mapen Morado. Sa mga hindi pa nakakilala sa akin, at ito si...
Franz Yuan M. Yuan. Ikaw, pwede niyo ako tawagin Yuan.
Alright, thank you. So, welcome back sa aming video.
Welcome back to another video. If you guys want to see my drawings in my sketchpad like this.
Wow, galing ah!
And
Yan ang mga drawings mo.
my first drawing.
Ano yan? Uuga talaga.
First.
Alright.
Second.
So, video niya uli ito.
Yep.
Siya uli ang bida.
Third.
So, ilan na ba yung drawing mo?
I don't know. Fourth.
Drawing mo rin yan?
Yep. Fifth.
Oh, uga talaga. Ang likot mo yung bata. Six na.
Six.
Oh, walang drawing dyan.
This is not a drawing. Guys, this is not a drawing.
Next.
This is a...
Oh, what is that?
I don't know what to read it.
Susteno. And those are lines.
Those are lines.
Next. What's that?
Seventh drawing. Eyes. Lapis. Mat. Eighth drawing.
It's not a drawing. It's all lines. Where's your drawing? Oh, that's not.
This is all lines.
How about this one?
Nine drawing. Nine. Baliktad kasi.
Oh, draw this one. Picture.
Read this. This called all lines. And the 10th drawing. The 11th drawing.
There's a lot, ah. Wag na. That.
Gojo.
Gojo drawing. Okay, next.
12.
Who's Gojo? That's your friend?
No. An anime. This called 12 Gojo drawing.
Name of the anime.
Yep.
What's that? Scissor.
I,
Yes.
tapos
SSO.
SSOR.
Ano mo? Ang galing mo na.
Third,
Data.
the
Bilis
13
na. Liit na rin.
Scissors. The 13 scissors.
Oh.
And the 14, the JK, the anime.
Last one na yan?
This one,
Not yet.
lang, pang anong number na to?
15.
15?
Oh, you're done with the...
Bukas pa ba yan?
Yeah.
The toys drawing and
I thought that's the last one. Ano pa pala?
the last the and the last 16 the last the paler cut draw. Ito lang, meron pa ba? Yes, meron pa dito, guys.
Where?
This, the murderers, and the sheriff.
Okay.
And this is the last. Where is it? Guys, just wait. I'm just gonna find it. What? Where is it? What?
No more na. So
And
that's...
this is the read this. It says Happy Meal. Happy Meal.
That's it.
And the smiley face.
So yun lang for today's video.
Yeah.
Bye!
Bye.